Hi, today I'm going to be telling you how you can solve your Wi-Fi being connected, but there's no internet on your PC. So this could be a couple of issues. It could be from your adapter, right? So from your Wi-Fi modem itself. If you tried connecting your Wi-Fi to both your PC and to your phone, and both of them don't have internet connection, then it's probably your modem that's having the issue. But if you connect it to your Wi-Fi and your phone have internet, but your PC doesn't have internet, then it might be the PC's problem. So the first and most easy solution I can give you is by going to the search bar down here and you want to go to troubleshooter. On troubleshoot settings, just click on this. Now on troubleshoot settings here, go to other troubleshooters. On other troubleshooters, go to network and internet. This will run a system scan of your entire computer, and if there's any issues that it finds, it will automatically solve it for you. So you don't have to go into the nitty-gritty of why it isn't working. Right now, it says good news, you're connected because my Wi-Fi works fine. But for you, it might do other things, right? But if it says good news, you're connected, and it still doesn't solve anything, you can do a run a network test here, right? So run network test here. And in here, you can also try a different website. You can also restart your PC if you like. But this whole troubleshoot thing will automatically help you solve your internet issue, whatever it is that could be troubling your PC. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.